Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying celebrity Cardi B's DIY hair mask, but specifically for her daughter to help restore moisture and promote hair growth. If your hair needs some restoration and love, then this video is for you. But before I get started, don't forget to like, please comment, and subscribe. So I know it's quite a bit of ingredients, but I'm pretty sure a majority of these are already in your kitchen. She has no particular order, so just get ready to gather each ingredient and put it into your blender. So starting off, I'll be using a ripe avocado. Avocado acts as a moisturizer for dry, damaged hair. It also prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. Next, I'll be using one whole banana. Bananas can heal flaky and dry scalp. It also contains collagen, which can then make your hair stronger and thicker. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is packed with amino acids and fatty acids. Mayonnaise also helps to hydrate your hair and keep your hair healthy and fresh. It is a great conditioner that helps to soften the tresses and acts as a great alternative to your chemical conditioners. Following up with 1 egg, the fatty acids and protein in the egg yolk can improve the health of your scalp, known to transform dry, brittle hair and promote strong, healthy hair. Honey is a great moisturizer for dry strands. It reduces breakage. Not only does honey boost hair growth, but it also stimulates hair regrowth from dormant follicles. Argan oil reduces breakage and split ends, preventing hair loss for thicker, fuller hair. And now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil increases blood flow to the scalp, promoting rapid hair growth, prevents breakage, dandruff, eczema, and itchy scalp. And lastly, I'll be going in with my extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil acts as a natural hair balm. It's effective for detangling, nourishes the hair deeply, leaving it soft and shiny. So once you have all your ingredients added into your blender, you're just going to turn it on and make sure that you blend it for a good couple of minutes to make sure that everything is blended and smooth, because avocado, if not blended properly, will get stuck in your hair and it's a struggle to get out. So don't rush the process. Make sure everything is nice and smooth, and you want to be left with a creamy consistency. Okay guys, so this is the state my hair is currently in. Size, I have let my hair go and I'm not proud of this. I think this is the longest I went without detangling it. It was so dry and itchy and might have added color treated, so I need this treatment now more than ever. I have used most ingredients consistently except for eggs and mayo, being that my hair is protein sensitive, but every once in a while your hair thrives for some protein to put some life back into your weakened strands. First things first, I need a miracle. I need some moisture. So I'm going to start off by really saturating my entire head, which will make applying the mask more manageable. So I always start with warm water just to really make sure that my entire hair is saturated, just to loosen up any product, just to stretch my curls, just to make it a little bit more easy, because my hair was dry. I couldn't detangle it and I was just struggling. It literally took me longer than normal to actually wet my entire hair because it was so matted and just tangled. So I'm just taking my time to work in small sections to, separate my strands so that it's not so knotty and prevent any type of breakage. An important key is to never apply any type of products to your hair if your hair is dry or really, really knotty, because that can make it worse for you. So you want to try to make sure your hair is nice and semi-detangled before applying anything. And this is for my low porosity people. You guys know how hard it is to hold on to any type of moisture. You guys see the water literally just sitting on top of my hair. So this definitely takes quite a bit of time. It definitely doesn't help being that my hair is dry and hasn't had any moisture. So I always make sure my hair is wet enough before applying any of my products. So whenever applying any type of conditioner or mask to my hair, I always like to section my hair off just to make sure that I'm applying everything evenly to my hair. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start applying it from roots to end. It has such a great creamy consistency. I'll be honest, I didn't really care for the smell. You kind of have to like avocado to enjoy this, but that's not what I'm here for. So right now I'm just going to start from my roots to my ends. And I will be honest, when I first started to apply it, I didn't feel any type of slip, which kind of made me worry, being that I am protein sensitive. So I was just a little concerned of what the outcome was, but at this point I was just like, we need to do something about this. So I just continued to apply it, and I take small sections working from the back, and that's how I like to apply any of my products, just to make sure that everything is coated properly, because you know, when your hair is really thick and it's dry, you want to take time and really separate and section your hair off to really make sure you get the best benefits out of your treatment. Also, if you have certain, I call them trouble areas, and certain parts of my hair, I find that my hair is more thicker and coarser. So don't be afraid to add an additional amount of product in those particular areas, because those are the areas that need the most help. So that's pretty much it. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to speed this up. I'm just going to repeat this same process on the other side of my head. So now that I have a little more extra mass left, I'm just going to really focus on my ends, because our ends are the oldest part of our hair, which makes them the most fragile. So don't be afraid to really go back in and focus on those ends to prevent breakage, to prevent split ends. Now I'm just going to really work it through. I like to always give myself a scalp massage to help really get my blood flow circulating, to promote hair growth and a healthy scalp. So here I just wanted to show you guys the hair that was shed. I'm really shocked, being that this is 2 weeks, but now I'm just gonna let it sit. She didn't really specify how long she keeps it in, but normally when I do any type of deep conditioner or mask, I leave it in for 30 minutes up to an hour. I feel like the longer the better. So I'm just gonna apply my plastic cap, let it sit, wash my body, do what I have to do, and come back and rinse it out and let you guys know my final results. So after about an hour, I'm just going to rinse it out with warm water. And to be honest, I really didn't feel what I expected to feel. I mean, I didn't get that soft, bouncy feeling how I usually get when I'm using my other products, and I guess it's because of the egg, I don't know. But I will say, as I kept rinsing my hair, I noticed so much shine. My curls were so defined. It didn't look like dry straw anymore, and so I guess my hair did get some type of treatment that it needed. It felt stronger. I didn't have any shedding. You know, my hair just felt like it was brought back to life, and that's something that I needed, because without any moisture, your hair cannot thrive. Your hair will look dull. It will look unhealthy. And so my color really looks so much more, it popped more, it looked so much more glowy and healthier. And so that's what I go for. So I do like this treatment. I will say that if I do it again, I will just X out the egg, because again, I feel like my hair just doesn't like it. Even though I don't incorporate it into my regimen, I feel like I would substitute something differently besides the egg. But overall, I love the way my hair looks. My ends look great. You know, it just looks healthier. You guys saw the before picture, so this definitely helped me out. But again, if you have low porosity hair and your hair does not take well to protein, then I suggest substituting it for something else. But listen, I'm here for all the other ingredients, and I had to try it because I love my girl Cardi B. So I wanted to give it a shot. I saw it on Instagram, and I'm sure I'm late to the party, but better late than never. And I will be trying this again, like I said. But overall, this is definitely a good method for hydration if you're looking for some type of restoration and moisture to bring back into your hair. Give it a shot. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below what you use for your hair mask, and let me know if you tried this Cardi B hair mask as well. I love you guys so much. Make sure you have your post notifications on. Make sure to follow me on all of my social medias. That will be down in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video.